kaninang umaga. Yan, si Ana, nanganak siya ng 6 puppies. Ito sila puro female. Ayan guys, light colors. Brown, light color. Brown, tsaka tricolor. Yan. Merong isa doon sa may yun sa dulo guys. Lalaki yun, bali. So, she gave birth for 6 puppies. 5 females and then 1 male. Yung isang male nandoon sa dulo guys. Hindi siya okay, hindi niya siguro nakayanan kagabi guys. Tapakan niya yung puppy na yun na isa. Tulog na rin kami, so pag manganak dito lang man yan sila. Alam man nilang manganak ng kanila. Dati nanganak to si Ana ng 8. She gave birth 8 puppies. All are with the tricolor puppies, like this color. Oh, like this color, very nice color, very attractive color. Yan, wala dyan yung puppy mo. Yan, your puppy is here. Yeah. Pahinga ka muna, take rest. Kaya na, ayan. Now, she's having 6 puppies, 5 females, and then 1 male. 1 male is not fine. Yeah, he is, I think, nahirapan siya when she gave birth. So, bali yung all females are healthy. They are drinking milk now, see? Yung isa nandoon guys, nangihina, hindi niya siguro nakayanan kagabi. So yan, ganda nito. Very nice. Natili pa ikaw? Hindi pa. Oh, yan. Nice color. Female. Tricolor Shih Tzu. The rest are brown. Brown and light brown colors. Hey, sorry. Cute. Tapos nilang dumedi guys. See? So, bali 5. 5 ang okay dito. Pagod si Ana. Pagod siya kakaanak. Ayan guys. Kagabi siya nanganak. Yeah, kaninang umaga like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. morning. So, October 7. October 7, 2023, she gave birth 6 puppies, 5 females and then 1 male. So for adoption is yung dark color. I think ito guys, this one, and then this or this one. So, pipili lang ako guys ng sasali. Sasali lang kayo guys. What the mechanics is, just follow me on my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment, and then all bell para updated po kayo sa mga next videos about these puppies. And then how to get the puppies guys is just once you are selected through Wheels of Names, so pipili ako ng mag-a-adapt ng puppy through Wheels of Names. Ang pag-claim po ng mga puppy is by meet up lang po. Dito kami guys nakatira sa South Cotabato. So, we are from South Cotabato, Philippines. And then, the meet-up is here in Tupi, South Cotabato. We're in the middle of two cities, General Santos City. So in General Santos City, there is an international airport, and the other city is Coronadal City. So going to Sultan Kudarat or North Cotabato yung Coronadal. Yung General Santos City naman, nearest city is Digos or Digos City and Davao City. So everyone is invited to join how to adopt these puppies. Just subscribe, like, comment, and then all bell po ang sa channel ko para updated po kayo sa next na videos about the puppies. So the release of these puppies will be on November 22. So 45 days na sila guys on November 22. These are free puppies for adoptions. Dalawa lang guys ang ipa-adopt ko kasi yung isa I thought it's 6 puppies, but yeah, 6 puppies, but only 5 are alive. So 1 is dead. So these are all female puppies. So 5 females, so 2 are for adoptions, and the rest will be for us. So maiwan sila dito guys, yung tatlo. Dalawa lang daw kasi namatay man yung isa guys. Okay sana pag 6 na puppy, pero namatay man yung isa. So if you're from other country, you can join also. And then how to get the puppies, you can adopt, and then our meetup will be in General Santos City International Airport if you're from outside the country. So how to select, if you are selected guys through wheels of names, okay, our meetup will be here in South Cotabato, Tupi, South Cotabato. Tupi is the town, Tupi municipality, that is our town, and our province is South Cotabato. We are in the middle of two cities, General Santos City and Coronadal City. So the puppy is with me for like 1 month. So once the puppy is released on 22 November, you must be here on that time, like November 22 onwards ang pagkuha ng puppy. So yan guys, so pag release ng puppy dapat doon na kayo sa meetup natin sa Tupi or sa Pulumulok Municipality or Tupi Municipality. Tupi is near to Coronadal City, and then Pulumulok is near to General Santos City. So dyan lang po ang meetup natin guys. So mag-like, subscribe na po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Pipiliin ko lang po by next month na po ang release ng puppy. So 2 puppies are for adoptions guys. Both of them are females. So mga light brown po na female ang ipapa-adopt ko po sa inyo. So subscribe na guys, comment, like, and then at least mga 200 na subscribers ang dapat mag-join paano mag-adapt ng puppies. So ayan, so I can share also my Facebook. Doon na po tayo sa Messenger kung paano at kailan makukuha ang puppy. And then yung mga updates or kung sino ang nakakuha is nakapost din sa YouTube channel, community ko, and then sa na rin sa mga videos, mag-upload din po ako. So subscribe na guys. click the bell button para updated kayo sa next videos. Like and comment to this video. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.